In this video, I will show you how to restrict someone on Instagram. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device, log into your account. Now, tap on the search bar and search for the profile that you want to restrict. Then open it. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple of options here. You will have the option of block, but if you do not want to block this account but only want to restrict, tap on the restrict option. Select that. Here it says that this account has been restricted. If you want to unrestrict this person later on, you want to open their profile, tap on the three dots and then again tap on the unrestrict option. You can also restrict a person from inbox. For that, tap on this inbox icon, then select the account that you want to restrict. Tap on their username at the top, then tap on these three dots and here tap on the restrict option. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.